kaya yan?
Ang ganda nito nga.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love us right. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
tumira na mataas eh.
Thank you, Broadway Boys.
Yes! Ay, may pangalan na sila! Broadway
Yan
Boys!
ang pantapat sa Jersey Boys. Yung Jersey Boys, pinapalseto eh.
Oo
Ito binuboses eh. Thank you, Benedict Aboyme, Joshua Torino, Joshua
po.
Bilbao,
Thank you
at
po.
ang ating champion, si Francis Aglaptin.
Yung mga
Thank you.
kinanta nila, ay yung mga, Shake!
Yun. Nawawala lang yung
Ano?
Yan ang mga kinanta nila galing doon sa mga Tony, Grammy, hindi to biyara, Tony Awards, Olivier Awards. Winning musical yan ng Jersey Boys, The Story of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons.
Ganda.
Ang galing.
Eto, kung gusto nyo mapanood yan, makinig kayo. Sa Meralco Theater, simula September 23, nandiyan po
Starring?
yan. Pero starring yan si Noy Volante, Christian Bautista, Nino Alejandro at si Marcus Strong. Directed by Bobby Garcia.
Yung?
Jersey Boys.
Paano makakapanood yan?
Ha?
Paano makakapanood?
Oy,
Abay, bibili sila ng tickets.
Siyempre.
Kung gusto nyo bumili, tumawag kayo sa Ticket World 891-9999 or visit www.ticketworld.com.ph. Yun. Thank you, Broadway Boys.
Meralco.